Does Tide allow direct debits? A deep dive. Imagine you're struggling to remember when your next Tide detergent delivery is due. You've missed a wash day and your laundry basket is overflowing. The frustration is real. Question hook: have you ever found yourself in this situation, wondering if there's a more convenient way to ensure you always have a fresh supply of Tide detergent? Today, we're going to dive deep into the question, does Tide allow direct debits? This might seem like a simple query, but the answer can have significant implications for your laundry routine. Direct debits, a quick overview. Before we get into the specifics, let's clarify what direct debits are. Essentially, a direct debit is a payment method that allows a business to automatically withdraw funds from your bank account on a regular basis. This can be a convenient way to pay bills and avoid late fees. The Tide Direct Debit Dilemma. Now, the million-dollar question, does Tide offer a direct debit payment option? Unfortunately, as of current date, Tide does not provide direct debits as a payment method. This means you'll need to manually place orders or set up recurring deliveries through their online platform or retail partners. Why no direct debits? You might be wondering why Tide hasn't implemented direct debits. There could be a few reasons. Technical limitations. The company might be facing technical challenges in integrating direct debit systems into their existing payment infrastructure. Customer preferences. Tide may have conducted research and found that their customers prefer traditional payment methods like credit cards or online payments. Cost considerations. Implementing direct debits can involve additional costs for the company, which might not be justified by the benefits. Alternatives to direct debits. While Tide doesn't offer direct debits, there are still ways to make your laundry routine more convenient. Recurring orders. Set up recurring orders on the Tide website or app, ensuring a steady supply of detergent delivered to your doorstep. Subscription services. Explore third-party subscription services that offer Tide detergent as part of their packages. These services often provide additional benefits like flexible delivery schedules and personalized recommendations. Retail partner subscriptions. Check if your local retailer offers subscription programs for Tide products. This can provide convenience and potential discounts. So, does Tide allow direct debits? Unfortunately, not at this time. However, there are several alternatives available to streamline your laundry routine. If you're looking for a more convenient way to purchase Tide detergent, consider exploring the options we've discussed. Remember, while direct debits might not be an option for Tide, there are other effective ways to ensure you always have a fresh supply of your favorite detergent. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.